So good morning, students. This video is projected for the students who are aspirant for competitive exams like WBCS, PSC, Rail, CGL, banking, so staff selection, etc. So the chapter today I will discuss the chapter spotting errors or the correction of the sentence. The students are very much puzzled how to find out the error and to put the tick mark at the right place. So now I am going to discuss how the students will attempt this type of the structure. First of all, I am giving few sentences and few examples so that you will have the clear conception of the chapter. Number one, many a man has been compelled. Many a man has been compelled to give in to the lure of travel. The structure is given. So how you will find out the error? Beforehand, I am giving the information that the structure will be divided into four parts. Option A, B, C, D, and the last part is option E. I mean, no error. If you have no error, then you will put the tick mark at the E option. So now the structure is here. I am discussing many a man has been compelled to give in to the lure of the travel. Many a structure is the singular form. So when the part is many a, then the noun will be singular. The form is here many a man. If the structure is a many, then we have to write men. So suppose many a student, a many students, many a teacher, a many teachers. The form actually, the form is singular form in the structure, but it is listed as the plural form. So many a man, the form is actually correct here, has been given. If we get the structure a many, then we have to write men. Many a men have been compelled. The point is declared. Suppose many a student has been compelled, a many students have been compelled. Many a teacher has been invited, a many teachers have been invited. The form is clear. Then I am coming the next structure. Suppose the Snigdha has been playing in the guitar since the last few years. The structure is Snigdha has been playing in the guitar since the last few years. So we have to know the wrong part is here, two parts. Playing in is wrong, or it will be replaced by playing on, means play on some tabla, guitar, piano. So you have to write the play on. Okay. Next, the point is there, since last few years. Actually, since refers to a particular point of time. For example, it has been raining since last night. The student has been reading the book since 7 o'clock in the morning. So since it refers to a specified point of time, but for refers to a particular span of time. The farmers, for example, the farmers have been plowing in the field for last 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. He has been suffering from a fever for last 2 days. So for 2 days, 2 years, 2 hours, month, year. Then you have to write for, means a span of time. But since means a particular point of time, an action has been starting from a particular point of time, and now it is going on. The form is since. So now we have to concentrate that Snigdha has been playing on the guitar for last few years or months. The point is clear. Now I am coming the third structure. Mrs. Banerjee is wearing, wearing, one of her most beautiful dress to attend the bridal ceremony. So mind it the structure, the students. Mrs. Banerjee is wearing one of her most beautiful dress. The dress part is wrong. Why? Because one of the form must follow a plural noun. So one of her beautiful dresses will be correct, not the dress. Actually, when we say that a lot of money, I have got a lot of money, we cannot say a lot of monies. We have got a plenty of food. So when the noun is abstract noun or the material noun, then a lot of, a plenty of, an amount of, the form. Okay, or after that the noun will be the plural form, but without s or es. We cannot say monies or foods. Okay, but we can say books, a plenty of books you can say. So in this way, you keep in the mind and practice much. Number 4, I am coming. No sooner had. No sooner had he reached the station, so when the train left off, left, left, OFF off. The structure is very much important. No sooner had must follow than. The structure here given, no sooner had the man reached the station, when, the form when will be replaced by than, because no sooner had will follow sentence 1, than will follow sentence 2. An action takes place first, the action takes place last. But the two actions happens at the same time, so beforehand, afterhand, at the same time. So we have to keep in the mind that there was no sooner had will follow than. But if the structure, if you keep in the mind, if you follow the structure in this way, if you replace the form, and if you got the structure scarcely, scarcely, scarcely had, the man reached the station, then suppose the form is there then, it will be replaced by when. I mean, just scarcely had will follow when, so no sooner will follow than. Okay, but if the form is that as soon as the man reaches the station, then or when, no, actually it will be comma, simply a comma. As soon as the manager reaches the station, comma, the train left off. So 3 structures we are learning at the same time. Okay, I am repeating again the structure. No sooner had will follow than, scarcely had will follow when, as soon as will follow simply a comma, means a punctuation. But this structure refers to 2 actions which happens at the same time, beforehand, afterhand. Okay, then I am coming the next structure, the pilgrims. The pilgrims bathed, bathed, you can say bathed in the river, and hanged, hanged, hanged their clothes on a fence to dry. So the students, mind the structure. The pilgrims bathed in the river and hanged, hanged, the form is wrong. Why wrong? We have to know the verb form V1 to V5. V1 suppose go V1, V2, V3, V4 V5. V1 go, when, gone, going, goes. See, saw, seen, seeing, sees. So similarly, hang. You can say in the past tense, hanged, hang means a sentence to death. But you can say also, hung, hung, means something which hung on the wall. Now we have to concentrate the structure. The pilgrims are bathed in the river and hung their clothes on a fence to dry. So hanged will be replaced by here hung, H-U-N-G, hung. Okay. So I am very much pleased that you are listening the video very carefully, and you must listen and watching the video from the beginning to the end, so that you can learn a lot and you will have a comprehensive idea about the chapter spotting errors. So now I am giving a structure mode. Many 5 years plans have been adopted with a view to mitigate India's poverty. So the students, this video is very much important for all the students. Grammatical error you must learn. So the structure you concentrate. Many 5 years plans. We have to concentrate from the beginning to the end. First part is wrong. Why wrong? Because many 5 years plans, 5 years will be replaced by 5 year. So we have to write many 5-year plans. But why? Because here in the structure, many and 5-year both are here, adjective or qualifier, and both simultaneously qualify the noun plans. So we have to write many 5-year plans. Then the next part have been adopted with a view to. When the structure is with a view to, if any structure, when you get the form with a view to, it must follow verb V1 plus ing, I mean V4. The structure is here given with a view to mitigate. So it will be mitigating India's poverty. Similarly, we can give more example. The teacher entered the classroom with a view to teach the students. The form is wrong. What should be? Teaching. The teacher entered the classroom with a view to teaching the students. Suppose the headmaster has entered the staff room with a view to informing some information or giving some information to the teachers. So with a view to, wherever the structure you can get with a view to, it will follow V4. Okay. Last example I am now giving you. Neither Somen nor his friends is going to the party. So neither Somen, singular form, nor his friends, such a plural form, is going to the party. Is will be replaced by are. Actually, coordinating conjunction you should keep in the mind. Neither nor, either or, both and, lest should. Lest should you can't here. I am giving an examples. Work hard, lest you should fail in the exams. Work hard lest you should fail in the exams. I mean, এটা আমি বাংলাটা বলছি, ভালো করে পরিশ্রম করো, তুমি পাঁচে পরীক্ষায় ফেল না করো। So lest is a negative form, so it will not follow more negative. Okay, lest and number 2, lest must follow should. Should will never be replaced by can, could, may, might, or any modal auxiliary form. So should will be there compulsory, and it will not follow any not. So you cannot say work hard lest you should not fail. You should say work hard lest you should fail in the exams. Okay. So the students, be patient, be concentrate, and be active to watch my video, and you subscribe the videos. You subscribe the channel English with Partho, so that you will get more and more videos about the grammatical tips, how you will learn at home during a lockdown period. Time is the precious. Okay, so you should give value of time. Thank you. Keep well.